So we're gonna start off with our fixed egg climb, our fixed horizontal egg climb here. And the idea is that we need to establish a nice short point with 2 of our dynamic cowtails. You're always going from 3 points to 2 points. There is a specific method in which we used to do this. I always define it as the lead line goes first, the rear line gets transferred, and the weighted line gets moved. And you just traverse across through the direction of which you're trying to go to. So to establish this, you'll notice that on each one of my longer cowtails here, I have 2 foot tapes, okay? That is to actually take the weight of my body when moving my weighted line. So the idea right now is I have a lead line established, I have a weighted line established, and I'm going to remove my back line into my weighted line spot, just like so. Then you'll notice that I actually go a little bit pigeon-toed here when I try and stand up to maintain the majority of my weight. I push my toes in and my knees go in front of both of my foot tapes so I can find a balance point. I remove my weighted line, I make the connection, I sit back down. Now we've transferred over to one different anchor. I'm then going to remove the weight out of my foot stirrup on my left side and place there. We're going to repeat the process with our rear line. And once again, stand up, a little bit pigeon-toed, move our weighted system over, then sit down underneath of it. Now, as you can see, I've got an obstruction kind of in my way. So the idea is that I want to be able to work around it. So I'm going to utilize the same method, but I'm going to have to take the weight off of my lead system to transfer it past the obstruction.